to Trusting Your Taste Buds with Tina, and today we're making whole wheat baked vanilla donuts. These donuts are perfect for decorating. You could put any kind of glaze on them and sprinkles. So I started off with 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. And then I'm just going to do a light mix. Mix it up so that you don't see any white clumps. Since whole wheat flour is a little bit brown, has a little bit of a brown color to it, you'll be able to notice any white spots. Okay, and now I add everything else directly to the bowl. 1 egg. I have 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And 1/4 cup of yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt, plain or flavored. Since I'm making vanilla donuts, I did get vanilla yogurt. But usually I just use plain yogurt. And then lastly, you add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm just gonna mix it all together. Okay, the batter's all mixed, and now we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least an hour to sit. Okay, so now we're gonna bake the donuts. So the batter sat in the fridge for an hour, and what I do is I put it in a Ziploc bag to use as like a piping bag, since it is a very thick batter, which is what you want. So first I'll just scoop it. Okay, so let's scoop it into the pan. And then I just cut a little corner off. And now I'm going to put it in the donut pan. So this is what my donut baking pan looks like, and I greased it. I'm going to put it in dry. Okay, you see, I filled it about halfway full. They do plump up, which is why I only do it about halfway. Otherwise, they'll start to go into the middle and you won't have a hole. So look like that. Okay, and now we're gonna put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. And we'll know they're done because when you touch them, they'll be kind of firm, but kind of squishy. Okay, so the vanilla donuts were in the oven for 10 minutes, and they came out beautiful. So you could see, nice little golden brown on the bottom. Little squishy. I let them cool for a couple minutes in the pan before I took them out, so they are still a little warm. but perfect. So these are great for putting chocolate icing or vanilla icing on it and sprinkles. Or you can even have them plain. They are sweetened. They're just not super sweet in case you put icing on them. But they taste really good. Really good. Okay, so don't forget you can find this recipe written out on my website, and like and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks.